Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Is your extender not working properly for a few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve your problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset the NETGEAR Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Range Extender EAX17 in very easy steps. So watch this video till the end so that you do not miss any step. Firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the extender. Resetting the NETGEAR Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Range Extender EAX17 is necessary to resolve connectivity issues, remove old settings, or restore it to factory defaults before setting it up in a new network. This ensures a clean start and optimal performance. Now plug your EAX17 into a working power outlet. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green or white. This means it's fully powered on and ready. On the back or bottom of the extender, find the reset button. It's a small pinhole. You'll need a paper clip or pin. Using a paper clip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button when the power LED starts blinking. This indicates the reset is in progress. The extender will reboot automatically. This may take a few minutes. Once the power LED becomes solid again, the reset is complete. After the reset, the extender returns to its factory default settings. Use the NETGEAR Nighthawk app or go to http://mywifixt.net to set it up again. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.